Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashpika. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE Mixing Page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about one of the most common question or one of the most common comment that I've been getting a lot of my videos, and this comment really this time broke me and it hit me hard, and I really thought that it's best to talk to you guys particularly about this topic via video. So that's why I'm making this video. Now this comment I got on my GLOBO ARTE Shorts channel. If you guys know that I have a GLOBO ARTE Shorts channel separate for the shorts, and on that video I got one of the comment. The comment was that that person was saying that it's not possible to make money on the print on demand business or in the print on demand journey. It's not possible to make good amount of money. It's not possible to be rich by print on demand, and it's too much hard to sell your designs and art on these websites. And that person was saying all about that. And I feel like I really want to address this particular question or this particular comment in this video, because I feel like it's really important for me to be honest with you guys and to talk to you guys in a honest way what I have learned so far in my own print on demand journey in the first year, and also what I have been seeing working for my other friends in this online space of the print on demand journey as well. So I really want to be honest with you guys, and I want to address this particular question, that is it possible to make good money on print on demand business or in print on demand journey or not, or can you be rich by that or not? So we're gonna be addressing this question in this video guys, so consider clicking the like button guys before going into the good part. And I have the bunch of the free stuffs for helping you guys to make money online. All the free guys, the free graphics, the free KDP interiors, or the link is in the description box below. You can download them completely for free and can use them to make money online. Now guys, if I actually reverse engineer this particular comment or this particular question, why this person is thinking about that, if I'm actually entering into their shoes and try to think why is that perception, why is that comment is coming, then I could assume that that person before entering into the print on demand space have been watching some other people who are making good money from it, 6-figure or maybe 7-figure, whatever it is, and they were thinking that that person is making 6-figure into this print on demand business, then I can also make it. And they were having the huge dreams, they were having the huge expectations before entering this print on demand journey, that they would be making money, good amount of money in just a short amount of time, and blah 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 blah. And when they actually enter into this print on demand journey, now they see the reality, that the reality is something else, and now they have the negative criticism against the print on demand. Now they are saying, oh, it's not possible to make good amount of money by print on demand. Don't enter into this. It's a bad stuff. It's a fake stuff, and blah 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 comes out of that. So I get the complete mentality of that person, why that person was thinking about that, or why that person was saying in my comment. And that person was quite negative about it. He or she was saying that it's not possible, it's just a fake thing, don't make videos related to it, you can't be making good amount of money. And yeah, I can get that, why that comment is coming from that. But I wanted to address this particular thing in this video guys, because if you are also thinking the same thing, then I really want to tell you the honest truth about the print on demand journey, about the print on demand business. Because it's really important for me to address this particular thing over here, because if I am just telling you the fake stuff, then you would be thinking something else, and it won't really going to help you, and later on you're gonna feel bad about it. So I really want to be honest with you, even if the truth is not good, even if the truth is hard right now, it is really important for you to understand the truth and to know the truth or the reality of the print on demand business. So I get that why this comment is coming from. So if you're also entering the print on demand space thinking that it's possible to make money and it's a rich money making scheme, or you're gonna be rich once you're entering into the space, then I really want to tell you guys, you can make good amount of money. It's possible to make good amount of money, but I'm saying this but 3 times because this but is important guys, you can't negotiate it. But it will going to take an ample amount of time and effort from you to make good money in print on demand space. You really need to be strategic, you really need to be doing the work, the smart work to make that good amount of money. And those people who are talking on the internet that they have been making this huge amount of money, they have been doing it for the years. They are not in their first year in the print on demand journey or something like that. They have been making it for years, and if they are a real and genuine person, then they have some strategy, they have some plan to do that or to make it happen for them. So you really need to be strategic about it, guys. It's not a rich money making scheme. I'm addressing this particular thing in many of my videos for you to understand, guys, to not to have a weird expectation or expectation something that is not real, something that is fake, something that is quite dreamy. The reality is that it's possible, but it will going to take a lot of time and effort from you. Hear that, but I really want to be honest with you guys, really want to be 100% transparent with you guys. Don't enter the print on demand journey just thinking about that you're gonna be making big money from it or you're gonna be rich from it. Don't enter print on demand journey just thinking about it, because if you enter just thinking about this thing, then the reality is something else, and you're gonna hit hard when you're gonna enter thinking about this, because it's not a rich money making scheme. You're not gonna be rich in a few days or in a month. I really want to tell you guys. But if you are a person who love making designing, who love making these designs and uploading them on these print on demand websites and optimizing it and marketing it and doing all those stuff, if you love it, then start with that, because you're gonna enjoy this journey, because your expectation is only that you are loving the process. If you are in love with the process, then keep going on, guys. You're gonna get the results. I'm telling you, you're gonna get the results if you are in love with the process. But if you are only thinking about the end result of making big money or getting rich from it, then don't do it. Then I really want to tell you, now you would be thinking that I'm discouraging you. I'm not discouraging you, guys. I'm telling you the truth. If you're just thinking of making big money or you want to be rich by print on demand, then don't enter it. Don't do it. That's one straightforward answer to this question. Don't do it. But if you're the one who love creating these designs, who love making these designs, and who have really fun in uploading it and marketing them and doing all those shop related stuff, and who love these stuffs, then go for it. Because if you are in love with the process, if you are enjoying it, if you are happy by doing it, then do it. You're gonna get the results. If you are loving something, then definitely you're gonna get the good results from it. Even if it's taking you a year, maybe 2 years or 3 years, whatever it is, you're gonna get the results. So that's the reality, guys. So it's depend on you. You need to ask this question to yourself. What is your intention? What is your intention in this print on demand business? What are you expecting from it? If your expectations are similar to the reality or is near to the reality, then go for it. But if your expectation is something that is too big or something that is too weird, then I really want to tell you guys, have a proper expectation, have a proper reality before doing anything into it, so that you don't feel bad about it once you enter into it, and you are the one who love the process. If you don't love the process, don't do it, guys, because it's not easy to make good amount of money in print on demand. It's not that fun if you are not loving the process. It's not that rich money making scheme. Don't do it. But if you're the one who love the process, who love creating these beautiful designs, targeting them, optimizing it, doing the marketing and just sharing it onto the social media, Pinterest, whatever it is, and you love the process, you love the fun of this print on demand journey or print on demand game, then you are a part of this game. Now I'm going to share some tips with you guys. I want to help you guys because you love the game, because I love the game too. I don't have any weird expectations of making good amount of money in this print on demand stuff, because I'm focusing on loving the process rather than loving the end result, because the process is important. We can't negotiate the process just for the sake of getting the end result. So the some tips that I want to tell you guys to get good sale is focusing on the trends. Now, I have always been talking about focusing on the trends. It's really important for you to make a holiday calendar. Like in the beginning of this year of 2021, in the January itself, I've been talking for you guys to make a holiday calendar. So you'll be know in which month, which holiday is coming, which season is coming, which occasion is coming, and you are preparing your designs and you are uploading designs related to that particular occasion. Because trending designs will be getting good sales when that trend is there, and obviously it will going to go down, the sales will going to go down when that trend is over. But if you're just preparing yourself for the next trend, so on and so forth, you'll be making good money. And once you see that your shop is popular, or you're getting multiple different sales for some particular design, then obviously you're gonna see that your designs will be higher in the search engine of these print-on-demand websites, and you'll be getting good money from it. So that is the trending design. The second thing, look for the niches that is not that competitive and is in the high demand, guys. Now you need to do the research. I love the researching. The researching part is the fun for me. The researching and designing, these two parts, I love it. And I love it doing the research. That's why I often do a research before making these videos and see what kind of comment is coming from the people, what they want to hear from me, what they are expecting it, and how I can help them. And I do the research. So researching, if it is a researching is fun for you, then do it. Look for the niches, look for the designs that are quite in demand but not that competitive. That's why I make the top 3 Redbubble trends video every week, because I love such kind of researching which kind of niches are popular, what we can make it from it, and how we can take an inspiration from it. So do the research, guys. Take a little bit more time in doing the research before making those designs, and it will really going to help you a lot. The another important aspect that I want to tell you, promote your designs. Share your shop on multiple different social media platforms. You're gonna get the more eyeballs. And one most important social media platform, or kind of like a search engine you can say, that you shouldn't be leaving behind, which is the Pinterest. If you don't feel okay with the Instagram, with the Facebook, or any other printer or any other social media out there, don't forget to use the Pinterest. Pinterest is a game changer for you guys. You just need to share your designs, your shop links, or related to your shop into the Pinterest. Make an account related to that. Make up boards, enter the boards description, make the book titles, and make them searchable in the Pinterest search engine, and then pinning your designs or pinning your products into these different boards, and do it on a consistent basis. On a daily basis, try to pin the 10 to 15 pins daily. You're gonna see that you're gonna get the more Pinterest viewers, and that will going to turn into the more people coming into your shop, and thereby by getting the good sales from your shop. Answer that particular question or comment. Even if you are having the same question in comment, I have addressed the same thing for you. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below and let me know what you are doing different about your own print-on-demand journey, what you are doing to get the good sales. Are you doing the research, or do you want me to make more videos related to doing the research on how to do the research on various print-on-demand websites to look for the niches? If you want me to make such videos, let me know in the comment section below, guys. I'm gonna make another videos talking about how to do the research and what are the niches you need to target, because I also love the research. So I'm really grateful to help you guys if you need that help. Let me know in the comment section below, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.